phone says you can leave your worries.
You've been headlining all around the country, man. You are definitely ready to go on shows. Let's talk about the N-word for a little bit.
Good. I'm talking about. Look dark on here. Video thing.
I'm beyond drunk. Drunk history. All new tomorrow at 10. Oh, hey, R&B. In this manifesto, so to speak, from Paul Heyman, Heyman said that Roman Reigns is someone that Brock Lesnar no longer has any interest in because he's failed his chances to win the Universal Championship.
See, it looks so different on here. I just finished making a new video that I did today. Also, I'm in my new chair. I don't know if y'all see it, but oh Lord, I can't do it. My new chair. Dang it, I can't do it. But yeah, I just finished making my video. I'm using my bed to kind of hold. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and just taking my picture. In here. But yeah, I'm just like in my room making this video, finish it. I know it looks a little dark in here, but I'm sorry about that. Using this phone is not that really good making good videos. Yeah. Now that tea look like that hard tea, and got oh Lord, I just roll for that. See, like I need to go to the dentist. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. I'm back to the vlogging thing. So, I am trying to kind of figure out how, so I can't, because I probably see this as one shorter than the other one, and I think I didn't do this right. And it's probably because the hair I thought I've been having for last year, but I think I've been having for 2 years, I think, in the bag, and I have been using it none. It's still look fresh and that kind of thing. If you just don't look with it, it's still look fresh. But I've been watching some YouTube videos to try to get more understanding so that I know how to do it. And the one thing I didn't do is part my hair out in 4 ways, and so I can do that. And so now next time when I do it, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna put this in my hair again, but it's going to probably be a different hair bag. I'm trying to wait until like it might be in July. Probably do it, and I'm gonna wash my hair. So I did this month, and this June the 30th. So I might probably wait, not July. It might be probably August, and that's when, in the end of this month, end of July, I'm going to take this down, and I'm going to wait first and wait until August, and I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'm gonna do like a box braid, because this is kind of like a box braids. It's just a little different, but I now know what to do now. I know how to do it now, and I can't wait to do it. Dang. He killed. Dang. What the? Hey guys. Right now I'm just like laying down. It's Sunday afternoon right now, and I'm watching some YouTube videos and watching Netflix both at the same time. But I might just wait watching the video. I like watching some YouTube videos. I don't understand why. I just like watching it, but I probably should just take a break for watching YouTube videos. I'm just so tired right now. Trying to see if this thing, because I'm not trying to block this voice thing in the back, the speaker in the back of my phone. But yeah, I'm just kind of laying down in my bed, and I just ate some burrito. Y'all probably just saw. I'm watching my brother's at the PlayStation, watch Netflix. My brother's PlayStation game, so I could like watch it because on his TV, my mom's TV, don't have like smart TV, so it's just a regular flat screen TV, small but not really big, not really small, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just that's what I'm doing. I just finished. I know y'all probably saw I finished cleaning up in the kitchen because it was kind of looking so bad in there. Someone was asleep. I was asleep on the couch. She was asleep, but yeah. I'll talk to y'all later. I want to talk about my hair that I did, braids that I did myself, and I'm proud of myself. I just have to practice some more on part. When the time when I do make the video and stuff, I am going to kind of like cut out so that I don't make the video too long. Part of it, I'm just gonna stop the video so I can do like that. It makes it easier for me if I do like that, so that the video won't be so long and I don't have to like, because I have to edit it on my iPad, and because I don't got no computer, I could just have to. So that would make it easy for me to do that. And when I let me turn this down. When I do that, you will see when I put box braids in much better. It will look better because I'm learning how to do it in my own. So when I do, y'all will see the video when I'm doing it, and y'all probably see how it looks and find some better products when I do it. And also, I'm gonna learn how to sew in hair, full sew in. I'm gonna learn how to do that too. I'm gonna practice on some videos, watch some videos on that, and I'm going to probably buy mannequin hair so I can practice and do that. So I just want to explain it to you guys. I forgot to tell y'all that. So yeah.